Hey guys, so welcome to another day in Istanbul. Newsflash, we decided not to head south towards Fethiye or Bodrum. We were supposed to go there today, unfortunately because of the new announcement on Turkey ban for flights coming in from the UK. We decided that it's not a really good idea to actually head south. We just have to burn our car rental for 10 days, which is okay because we cannot cancel it anymore. It's already too late to cancel because we only got the news today. But we decided to move to a different hotel today. This is the Vogue Hotel. It is a lot more luxurious than the previous hotel we stayed in. The previous hotel is actually quite nice. It's just that the location is not really that great. This one is just next to Hagia Sophia. And the room that we will be staying in hopefully should have, inshallah, the view of Hagia Sophia itself, which is gonna be amazing. Yeah, we're gonna stay here for 3 days while we wait for our flight out of Turkey. Our initial flight was supposed to be another 11 days from now. So yeah, we decided to book an earlier flight. The earliest flight out is this Wednesday, so we decided to stay here for another 3 days until our flight. Thank you. All kitted up for the museum tour. They actually had to take away my microphone and my drone. So if you're bringing all of those stuff here, just take note that they will actually confiscate it and they will keep it for you for a while, because there's technically no proper filming inside allowed, no professional filming of any kind. So let's go. I initially thought that this was just a 2-hour stop, since it's just a palace. But lo and behold, this place is huge, like really huge. So the Tokapa Palace used to serve as the main residence for the Ottoman sultans. It was first constructed by order of the Sultan Mehmed the Conqueror in 1459, several years after the Ottomans succeeded in conquering Istanbul from the Byzantine Empire in 1453. There are many courtyards within the palace with plenty of rooms to explore, which is why a full day is really recommended for you to truly experience and learn everything there is to this palace. Sadly, video filming and any sort of photography is prohibited in a lot of rooms. So you will have to just come here and experience them for yourself. That building behind me over there is probably the best building in the whole Tokapa Palace. Inside there's a lot of relics like the footprint of Rasulullah SAW, the staff of Musa SAW, the sword of Nabi Dawud SAW. There's just so many things in there. Unfortunately, they don't allow any photos or videos, so yeah, I cannot show you all of those. Alright, time to return this audio guide. Alright, got back all our stuff that was confiscated. Woohoo! So let's see, microphone not allowed, drone not allowed, tripod, all kinds of tripod, even the small ones, not allowed. Wow! Oh man, this hotel is so nice, it's so big. Really unlike the hotel that we were staying yesterday. The other hotel we actually paid around the same price. So in Istanbul you have to really do your research because otherwise you'll be paying a lot and you'll be getting a smaller room. But this one it's 5-star, proper 5-star, and it's the same price. Good location as well, right next to Hagia Sophia. Beautiful and easy access to everything around here. Let's do a quick room tour. Flat screen TV, always needed. Air conditioner. Touchscreen, big giant mirror to practice your charisma. Nice bathroom, look at that. Huge sink, shower with hot water, etc. And your toilet bowl. Well, this part was practically empty and devoid of people yesterday. Today it's so crowded and there's just a lot of there's a lot of activity around. It's good to see Istanbul being this way again. Hey! Hey! So here we are, sat at an alleyway next to a restaurant which is called Lezzet Itsak. And apparently this is quite recommended on Google Maps review. So we're gonna try this today. Thank you. That's the mixed grill. It's gonna have everything in there. And then that's Beyran Çorbası, which is essentially beef something soup, which is really good. Thank you.
You're welcome, very nice.
You too. You know, usually when you're in Istanbul, you always go for the Turkish ice cream. Can't find it today, so we saw this Haji Serif, which was a bit crowded with locals. So it must be good, I guess. So let's give it a try. There's some ice cream in there with some of this brown stuff, which I'm not sure what they are. Let's try. Not bad. It's a bit like kunafa, but with ice cream. You should give this a try because it's not too expensive as well. About 8 lira. Not bad.
Later.
And final stop for our day 4 in Istanbul is back at Bosphorus Bridge and the Ortaköy Masjid. Remember that in daytime, that was quite epic, but at night it's a different place altogether. A lot of activities still going on, a lot of locals still out, and you can actually shoot at some balloons over there, which is quite fun. I might actually do that, I'm not sure. Amalia is busy taking night shots of the bridge and the masjid using a tripod because you need slightly longer shutter speed. Ah, yay! We got one! Started the day late today. We had a huge breakfast really, and then a McDonald's lunch. Apparently they have super size in Turkey in their McDonald's. I thought super size is banned. Look at how big the drink is and the fries. And then now it's already Asr and we've only just started our day exploring. Today is gonna be a slow day. Now the good thing about staying next to Hagia Sophia is the fact that you can do all your Fard prayers in Jama'ah, and it's quite easy to do so. You can hear the adhan is so beautiful. Apart from the tourists, it definitely felt like as though we're doing Umrah in Istanbul. Thank you. Ah, the Grand Bazaar. If there was ever a place that you can get lost into for hours, spending all your money on an assortment of colourful wares, this would be it.
Step on it. Glass.
Oh my god.
Glass.
It is double glass.
Double
glass.
And made in Turkey.
Built in 1455, it is one of the largest and oldest covered markets in the world, with over 61 covered streets and 4,000 shops within a single building. I feel like I'm in the Orient Express movie. They don't call this the Grand Bazaar for no reason. There's just so many different alleys, so many different shops selling all sorts of stuff, so many colors. If you cannot find a gift to bring back home from here, you must be not looking properly. Alright guys, so Thankfully, we managed to get back to London safely. We're in London right now. It was a bit nerve-wracking as we approach our flight because we're not sure what's going to happen. A lot of the other flights like Turkish Airlines, EasyJet, all the other airlines have already cancelled all their flights from Turkey to the UK. So we were quite worried. British Airways promised to still fly, but we were wondering the whole time whether they're going to cancel that flight. Thankfully, the flight went on as usual, as scheduled. The entire flight was full to the brim. And thankfully, we were able to get back to UK without any issues. And we just completed our 10 days of self-isolation at home and we can finally go out again. I would recommend not going to Turkey right now or traveling at all right now because of the new virus variant. So just be patient and stay at home for the time being. So I guess that's the end of the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, give it a thumbs down. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. Choose life, choose the adventure. Don't forget us.